In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the DeepSeek AI completely for free. The first thing you need to do is you need to open up the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on whether you're on an iOS or Android device. Now, me personally, I am on an Android device, so what I need to do is I need to go to the search bar right over here and then just look up DeepSeek just like so, and then it is going to be right over here. It is the same thing on the App Store as well. However, the UI or user interface might look slightly different. But once you went ahead and installed this, go ahead and press on Open. And then once you went ahead and open up the application, you will get a screen that looks like this. Now, if you already made a DeepSeek account previously, then you can go ahead and just enter in your email or your phone number and your password. However, if you never made an account, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button over here that says sign up. So what we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and enter in an email address, and also we need to go ahead and put in a password and a code as well. But alternatively, you guys could sign in using a Google account. So if you already have a Google account, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys already do, then you guys could also sign in with that, and you can essentially skip that entire process. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with Google really quickly, and then I'm going to create an account using a spare email that I have, and here you go, guys. We now have access to the DeepSeek interface. Now, there's a lot of different things you guys could do. So again, this is kind of like a chatbot similar to ChatGPT, so you can go ahead and ask it questions and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really as simple as that. You can go ahead and ask it questions, and then it will generate just a bunch of information relating to your question and stuff like that. So yeah, in the most recent version of DeepSeek, there is now a button that says Deep Think, and essentially it will go ahead and try to think of how it could help you. So it's a little bit hard to explain. Let me just show you guys through examples. So if I go ahead and just type in something like explain Deep Think to me, and make sure that Deep Think is actually highlighted like it is right over here, and then I go ahead and enter in the chat, then it is going to start thinking, and it is basically going to use the context of the conversation to actually generate a response, which is honestly pretty cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and search a best video platform while I press on the search, and it will literally browse the entire internet. So you can go ahead and search for anything, and maybe there's a particular song you want, or maybe there's a particular image that you're trying to find. Then you can go ahead and do that with this AI whenever you do select on search. So as you're able to tell, this is absolutely OP. AI technology just improving day by day, and this is honestly pretty exciting. So you guys can go ahead and press on the option that says find results, and then here you go, guys. There is a lot of information right over here, so this is honestly really cool. And at any point in time, you can go ahead and organize your chats by pressing on new chat, and then over here you have a list of all the different chats. It's kind of like ChatGPT. The UI is very similar, but in my opinion, DeepSeek is way better and it has much more functionality at the time of recording this video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.